Hey everyone, we're back with another video, and today we're going to be showing you how to change your Huawei MatePad Air from Chinese to English. So let's go ahead and start. Once we're inside the screen, what we're going to want to do is look for this logo right here. It's a settings logo. Go ahead and click that. Then once we get to inside here, what we're going to want to do is scroll to the bottom. And once again, you'll see a mechanical little symbol. It looks just like the settings, but blue now. Go ahead, click that. Once you click that, I'm assuming you can't read Chinese, so just count 1, 2, 3, and then it will take you to this menu. Once you get to this menu, all you have to do is go ahead and click the first one. And when you click the first one, you'll see the blue, like this blue writing right here. It actually means Chinese in Chinese, and it has like a little check mark. So all you have to do is go ahead and push the second one. And once you push the second one, boom, it'll take you down to this menu. And all you have to do is just scroll down, and as you can see, there's many languages, but then we're looking for English, and I might have skipped it already. Yes, I did. It's right here. So all I have to do now is push English, and then what you want to do is going to have these two. You're going to want to push the right one, and now you'll notice that everything will be in English. English is now your number one because there's a check mark next to it, whereas simplified Chinese is not checked. If two people are using this MatePad Air, say one spouse is English speaking and the other spouse is Chinese, they can go back and forth now. And just to give you a demonstration, see how everything is now in English. Okay, guys, so simple tutorial. This is basically for people that are new to Huawei MatePad Air, which you might have bought in China or some other country that's not English speaking. So I just wanted to make a simple video. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment or a like. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.